Okay, completely different one now. Not gestural at all, but I think this guy's a good character, so I want to get him. It's from a photo of someone's taken of this guy on the beach. It's really good posture and it's natural. That's key. I don't really like poses. So yeah, let's turn this guy into a character. He's got a pretty cool look in his Speedos. Right, so like I said, it's on the beach, so he's got a hat. I'll do the hat afterwards actually, I'll do the head first. Just head. Actually, I'm going to push his head a bit more forward than the reference. Don't tighten up. Okay, so big shapes. Let's give him, so yeah, slightly more of a hunchback kind of, and leaning into his lower back. He's got a belly, so let's emphasize that. So he turns into more of a kind of, I don't know, bean shape. And then his Speedos kind of going under that. At the bottom, his shoulders, let's jut them forward a little bit because he's got them behind him. Let's make his arms super skinny that he's holding behind his back. Actually it doesn't look like he's holding two arms. Two hands, can't quite see that actually. Oh, leave that. When you get stuck, just leave it and go somewhere else. Have a think. Right, Speedos. Yeah, more of belly. Leg, and then on a kind of sweep this leg back more. This is his front leg, well, the one's closest to us is his weight-bearing leg, so that's important leg. Feet, but they're covered up by a bit of sand, but I better make sure they're visible. So he's leaning on this leg, so this leg is a bit looser, not really quads tightening, so you can see more of this knee and everything. Not so important to get that looking like it's kind of straining. Don't really know what the other foot's doing, but I'll work it out. So let's go back in. Okay, head, give him a cranium. Big nose. Big nose is always good. Well, sometimes good. Little ear. Hat. That's all in shadow. Oh, actually, I don't know if I'll think about light though. Actually, I'm going to make his jaw smaller, I think. So I've got more room to put in, make him look like he's hasn't got much teeth, so to give him, and also to emphasize his neck more, because I think that's quite important for the character that I want to turn him into. More of a kind of jutting forward of the head out of the shoulder area. Okay, so shoulders. Big triceps is squashing against what's more the flesh, squashing against his body, and then there's his knobbly elbow. And then kind of wiry forearms. Straighten curves, thinking about. They're coming down to his Speedos. Give him a bit of anatomy, where his hip bones are an oblique muscle. Don't want to overwork this though, it's supposed to be quick sketches. But yeah, okay. Speedos, and then maybe I should stop at the risk of overworking it. Watch out for tangencies. Yeah, I'm not going to go too much into the back leg. Just going to sweep it back a little bit. Ankle, I think is important. So ankle leads up to the back of his head. I want to keep this in line with the reference. So I think I've swept his leg back a little bit too far. The leg can go, the knee can go back, but I don't want to bring the foot forward a bit. I don't want the ankle to be so far back it looks like he's falling forward. But after that I'll sweep that back further. That's better. Quads. Okay, and I think I'll leave it there. So that's it. Hope it helped, and see you in the next video.